Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and I'm going to show you how you can easily use Xtrade or also called OffersFX online trading. This is a complete tutorial on how we can use it, how we can buy, how we can sell, how we can work with instruments, how we can work also with the graph. So let's start here and let me show you how we can completely use it. So first thing first, if you don't have an account, first you have to register. The registering is pretty simple and not that hard. And when you're going to be here, you're going to have option to find instruments. So you're going to have the favorites one, all popular, rises and falls, cryptocurrencies you wouldn't find here. Then also you can find commodities here, or even shares. And you can easily switch between various ones, let's say USA here. And then you're going to have Forex, major minors, exotic, bonds, and ETFs. So now let's say we're going to be in Forex and we're going to find the Euro USD. So what we can find here, the bid, the ask, the change, the high and low, the time, and the details of it. So you're always going to find like the details about the instrument. On the bottom left, you're going to have your account. So you're going to have the demo, like this is demo account. So you're going to have the how much you have available, equity, margin, and profit and loss. And then what you want to do and what you can do is how you can simply buy. So here on the Euro USD, I will simply come here to buy. Amount can be, let's say, 10,000 euro. And you can simply go close at profit or amount. So you can have simply. So if you want to have closed at profit of $5,000, it's going to be priced 1.49. But let's say you want to go close at profit at $500. So it needs to go only 1.04. We can have close at loss here also. So let's say the close at loss when it's going to be 350. So if you would drop from 0.99 to 0.95, you would lost only 350, and in that moment your position would get closed. At profit, it means that your position would be closed and you would sell if you going to have 10,500 value of dollars. Now when you go further, and what you can do, you can simply click buy when rate is, and you can simply go, okay, let's buy here when it's going to be at 1. So therefore, it's going to change also the close at loss and close at profit, because if I want to buy at 0.03, look at this. To have the profitability, it's going to increase, and also the sell point is going to change here. And you can always edit it as much as you want, but this is pretty much it how we do it. Now, if you're gonna have it, you can simply, let's say I'm not going to have buy when rate is, I can click buy here. And now you need to have the account in your money. And then when you're going to have it, and you're going to play around it, you would find open positions where you would find it right here, and also orders next to the open positions. And then also options to have a closed positions. So in the trade, when you're going to be here, you can simply buy here. And then you can click here, and when you're going to click on whatever instrument you have, the bottom will change here. So you can simply have the market trends here. So heat map, trading room, heat maps. So all of that you can have right here on your left side. You can switch the timeline here, so we can have it. So let's make it bigger on the top right. You can make 4 hours, or let's say for 1 week timeline. Then you can have candles, or you can have line here. And then also what you can have, guys, is to have indicators. So you can have bands, Ichimoku cloud. Then you can have indicator of momentum, simply moving average. And then you would have also tools here. So arrow, circle, forecast, pitchfork, trade, all of that. And then you have also the multi-screen here. So we have split, vertical split, horizontal, or also quarters. So that's what you can have. And then also the cleaning, right? So you can remove indicators. And then what you can do is just easily close it. So that's how you can do it. And also you can, as I mentioned, you can remove the indicators, remove analytics, reset all charts. And if you want, guys, you can easily switch to real mode after demo account. My definite recommendation is really spend your time on the demo, learn how to use it. And here on your real account, you can easily on the bottom left, click deposit and start depositing your money. Or then when you're gonna have make money, you can easily withdraw it. So that's pretty much it, how you can use this platform. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some assistance. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.